What's up guys, Max Tech here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Tegra effects on Dead Trigger on a non-Tegra device, and I'm using my Nexus 4 here. So I've started the game already. What the hell? I've started the game already. I just want to show you what it's like normally. So if I dive into the settings, you can see my graphics details go from low to high, and that's all I get: low, medium, and high. So you'd think high would be the best, but it's not, and I'll show you why. Let's go into the first level here. Loading, come on, load. Okay. So you can see we've got particles and smoke here, but we haven't got any water effects, and you know, it can clearly handle it because look how smooth this whole thing is playing. So let me just exit out now, and I'm going to show you how to do it. How to get these special Tegra effects. Now you do need a rooted device and a root file explorer. I'm using ES, so you can see it here. Now if you're going to use ES as well, make sure you actually go into the settings and root settings and make sure this root button is ticked up here, otherwise you won't be able to do any of this. So favorites, hit up root. Now you want to go to data and data again, and now you've got to look for com.madfinger something or other. So let's just dive to the bottom because it'll be around here somewhere. There we go, com.madfinger.games.deadtrigger. That's the one you want. So click into that, click shared prefs, and here we go. It's this one here, com.madfinger.games.deadtrigger, not the licensing one. So you want to hold it, and actually you don't want to hold it, scrap that, just press it and open it in ES Note Editor. Okay, now there's two options you need to change here. The first one is Unity graphics quality. Mine at the moment says 1 because I set it to high, but yours might say 0 or 1, I don't know. Change it to 2. So we've changed that to 2 there. The next one, you've got to scroll down and you need to find options graphics details. You can see mine's set to 2. You actually want to set this to 3. And that's it. So you've got to go ahead and hit save. You can see save successful, but before you quit everything, just back out, hold the file again, go to properties, change the permissions to get rid of that write, and put other on read as well. So those two on read. Press OK. You can see change permission successful. Press OK again. It will make a .back file. Now you can either rename this or delete it. I'm just going to delete it. And there we go. If you don't change the permissions, the game will just change it back and it won't have the extra effects. So let's go ahead and open Dead Trigger again. So yeah, be aware guys that obviously if you do this, try and get a device that can handle it. Obviously I know my Nexus 4 can handle it. And if we look into the graphics settings now, you can see ultra high. If you change that now, you won't be able to get back to it unless you do all that other crap again. So you can see there it's now set to ultra high, which basically means it's going to have all the Tegra effects. So let me just zoom in a bit here for you. Let's see how many differences we can spot in the actual game. Really, there's only one major difference, and it's the water, but you can see it does make quite a big difference. Look how nice that water effect is there. You can see we had the smoke and the particles before, but the water, let me get rid of this stupid aim thing. Okay, maybe I just have to keep walking. There we go. And you can see these nice water effects here, and you can shoot and you can see them. You know, it all pops up, and the performance hasn't changed. Obviously, with the Adreno 320, you've got an epic graphics chip here, so you're not going to have any worries. I think it just looks a little bit better with the Tegra effects. It's not like ridiculous, but it is nicer. You can see here as we go through, there's some water effects there. I'm not sure if they're Tegra, but you know, they're still nice. The main difference is the water effects and a few other little differences. But if you've got a device that can handle it, yeah, why not? So there you go guys, that's how to add Tegra effects to your non-Tegra device on Dead Trigger.